Hello, friends. I'm Amira, and today, we're diving into the fascinating world of honey, the sweetener we've all used and cherished for its medicinal benefits. Join us as we unravel the secrets of organic honey production, with some captivating visuals to make it all crystal clear. It's time to appreciate not just the sweetener, but also the remarkable process behind it. So, get ready to be amazed by the world of honey making, right here on Health Mavericks.
Welcome to the world of organic honey production, where nature's finest nectar comes to life. It all begins with the bees, the diligent workers of the hive. They collect nectar from the blossoms and transform it into liquid gold, known as honey. The bees laboriously construct honeycombs, where they store this precious substance. These honeycombs are a marvel of nature, each cell brimming with fresh honey. In the warm summer months, the beekeeper carefully tends to the hives, ensuring the bees are healthy and thriving. Bees bustle in and out of their hives, a testament to the vitality of the bee family. As the bees seal ready honeycombs, the beekeeper approaches to harvest this liquid treasure. The beekeeper works harmoniously with the bees and beehives, showing deep respect for these incredible creatures. In protective gear, the beekeeper opens a honeycomb, revealing bees diligently at work. With utmost care, the beekeeper fumigates the bees to ensure a safe harvest. With boxes full of honeycombs, the beekeeper carefully transports the bounty of nature. Each honeycomb frame holds a treasure trove of honey, ready to be extracted. The honey extraction process begins with uncapping the sealed honey cells, revealing the liquid gold within. Any excess beeswax is carefully removed, leaving behind the pure honey. Special tools are used to open the cells, allowing the honey to flow freely. The honey frames are then placed into a centrifuge, where the honey is spun out. The centrifuge does its work, extracting the honey while preserving its purity. Modern honey farming equipment ensures efficiency and quality. The result is pure, unfiltered honey, a testament to nature's bounty. Finally, the honey undergoes a gentle filtration process to remove any remaining impurities. And there you have it, the journey from the hive to your table, where you can enjoy the purest, most delicious organic honey. Remember, by supporting sustainable beekeeping practices, you not only savor the sweetness of nature but also help protect the incredible honeybee and our environment.
As we wrap up today's exploration, I want to take a moment to express our gratitude. And as we approach this season of Thanksgiving, let's remember to be grateful for the small miracles in our lives. Just like the honeybees' incredible work. From all of us here at Health Mavericks, we wish you a happy Thanksgiving filled with love, joy, and of course, the sweetness of life.